What?
100%.
110%?
Yeah.
But, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I don't even know what the fuck I gotta do. My mommy's bringing home dinner right now for me. So, are you gonna, like, pass the fuck out, or, cause you sound it.
No. I'm not gonna pass out. No.
Alright, cause you really sound like you're gonna pass the fuck out.
I'm sorry.
Alright, but, alright, my mom's bringing home dinner, so I'll just, eat or whatever, and then I'll call you back. How's that?
Alright.
Is that chill with you?
That's fine.
I don't know when she's on her way home now, so I don't know when she'll be home, okay?
Okay.
I'll just call you, pick up. Don't fucking fall asleep.
I'm not gonna fall asleep.
Please don't.
I will.
Please.
I'm not going to.
Yo, I'm recording this whole conversation and putting it up on YouTube.
Alright, you do that.
I am.
Okay, bud.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Whore.
What happened there?